What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, your poet, KendrykYoungblood. It has been a long time since I did a poetry lesson. Don't get me wrong, I love my reactions. They're very fun, but sometimes your boy just likes to teach, all right? And this lesson right here is called the Infinity Stones of Poetry. Before we actually get into the meat and potatoes of what we're discussing, you need to first know what I mean by the Infinity Stones. The Infinity Stones are artifacts from the Marvel Cinematic Universe. They were formed during the birth of the universe and each grant a wielder incredible abilities. In Marvel, the villain Thanos became more powerful with each stone he added to his Infinity Gauntlet. There are 6 stones in total: the Space Stone, the Reality Stone, the Power Stone, the Mind Stone, the Time Stone, and the Soul Stone. With the power of all 6, Thanos became an all-powerful being who could alter the universe with the snap of his fingers.
You should have gone for the head.
I'll explain each of these stones' fictional abilities and show how you can apply them to your poetry so that your art can reach its full potential. Keep in mind that you don't have to use just one stone per poem. You can use multiple in any combination of your choosing. I will provide an application of these stones for both written poetry and spoken word poetry.